Good morning. Today is March 26th. It's Thursday. We're going to do our next Saxon lesson. Today in Saxon, we're going to keep learning about prefixes. Yesterday, we started learning about prefixes for the very first time, and we learned that prefixes are parts of words that come at the beginning of the word, unlike suffixes that come at the ending of a word. So we talked about prefix. Pre means before, so a prefix is before the word, and it adds meaning to the word, just like a suffix adds meaning to a word when you add it on. Yesterday we did two brand new prefixes. We did un and re. Un means not or opposite of, like undo or untie. Re means to do again, like reheat or rewrite. Today we have two brand new suffixes we're going to be talking about. The first one is dis, and the second one is pre. Now we've talked about this one already because it's in the word prefix, so we kind of already know what this one means, but I still will give you a few examples and we'll practice it a little more together, okay? So let me go ahead and write my examples for you. So I have the words preheat and preschool. Now, since we kind of already know that pre means before because it's in our word prefix, we know that preheat means to heat it before. So if you preheat the oven, you have to heat it up before you put something in so it's hot enough to cook it. Preschool is school that you go to before you go to real regular school in a big school, before you go to kindergarten. So you've probably never thought about that word that way, but that's why they put pre at the beginning of it, preschool. Now, disagree and dishonest. We haven't talked about these two prefixes at all yet, so these will be new. Disagree. Well, I know if I disagree with somebody, I don't agree with them. I think something different. And if somebody is dishonest, they are not honest. So I can figure out that dis means what? That's right, dis means not or opposite of, just like un means not or opposite of, okay? So, pre means before, and dis means not or opposite of, okay? Now today I have our Saxon sheet again, just like I have had for the last couple days. So I'm going to hold it up. I'm going to hold it a little bit closer so you can probably see the words a little bit better. I want you to go ahead and I want you to copy these words down. Of course, our first set has our brand new prefixes, pre and dis. We have prescribe, prejudge, can't read it backwards, discounted, disorder, and precaution. And then we have a couple of review words at the bottom with review patterns that we've already learned. So take a minute, write these down. You can pause your video, of course, and then code them. I'm gonna go ahead and code them real quick, and then we will check them together to make sure we got them all right. And don't forget, on a prefix, just like with a suffix, we box it to show that it is a part of the word that is a prefix, okay? Ooh, this one has a lot of really good codes too. We've had some really good review codes this week. Okay, now I'm going to go through some of these because, like I said, there's some really good review ones to talk about. Okay. Prescribe, we have the prefix pre, SCR triple blend, K back C, long I, magic E. Prejudge, prefix pre, and then we have the DGE. Okay, remember that was one that we learned about right before we left, a trigraph. So 3 letters, 1 sound. On the DGE trigraph, we hear the G making the J sound, so it gets a J dot, and we cross out the D and the E because they're silent. They're just there to help. And it's DGE instead of GE because it comes after a short vowel. We learned that rule as well. Discounted, we have OU, diphthong, ED, suffix on the end, so this one had a prefix and a suffix. Disorder, we have a couple bossy R combinations. We also have a syllable break in order. Don't forget your syllable breaks. VCCV syllable break. And precaution, K back C, I have another diphthong AU, and then final stable syllable TION. Don't forget him either. Okay. Marching, we have a bossy R combination, CH, consonant digraph, suffix ING, they're doing it now. Tiny, this is a VCV syllable break, okay? Tiny, we know it's long, we break it after the I, it's not tinny. And then that Y making the E sound, tiny. So it gets an E dot. Crying, this one, the Y is saying the long I sound. So it gets the I dot and the macron above it. We have the OO, short OO, compound word, so I broke it, and another bossy R combination. And then icebox, compound word, so I broke it right between the 2 words. And then a cedius C, and silent E, long I, and then of course just a short vowel in box. Okay, so go ahead and check those, make sure you got them all right. Of course you can pause your video again if you want to. All right, have a great day, guys. Bye.